Yeah, what's up, guys? Look, it's your Day Trade the World sponsored Trade of the Day. Make sure you hit that QR code below to start your trading venture today with Day Trade the World. Look, normally I have the sticky note. I throw it at the screen. I do little things like that, and I show it on here. But it was obvious. We had AMD written on our sticky note today. And the best part about today's Trade of the Day is it's learning from our mistakes, because AMD, we are red on this stock today, and I want to show you how I sort of misplayed this name. So first things first, though, let me show you why we like the 69 short, right? Here's the line right here, this blue line, that's the 69 short. And look at this, the 22nd, the 23rd, the 26th, the 27th, even back here yesterday, the 3rd, the 4th, there's the yesterday. So the point I'm getting at right here, key level, right? So we are playing short off that key level. Even if you go back to here, that's where we stopped on the bounce and opened up underneath. So we really wanted to short 69, and we broke that down, and we've been doing quite well on that number for a while here, shorting AMD. But look what happens today. So here's the 69 level right there. We try to stay away from stock in the first couple minutes, but unfortunately, AMD just really got going like crazy to the upside here today, right? So here goes AMD just rocking up. You're gonna see me, there is a tick of me getting out right there. So we short out, right? So that's not even where it gets that bad, because our first short starts at 68.50. Then we take a bunch of shares as we get closer to 69. There is a hidden little green wick in there where we get out. It breaks 69, we're out. But the problem is it pulls back a little bit. So I take the short again there. And then that was at like 69.20. Then we wind up getting out at about 69.30, 69.40. So not that much of a problem. But look what happens here. Then it goes all the way up to 70. And I'm like, nah, it's not gonna go to 70, is it? We opened up down here at 67.50. Are we really gonna go up straight up 250 off the open? You're damn right we are. Boom, to the upside, short again and out, short again and out. So we have three horrible trades, really. Short at 69, short again here at 70, short again at 70 again, trying to protect that level. So it never works out for us, right? We take the 69 short, get blown out. We're like, nah, it's not gonna take 70. Take 70, blown out again before this happens, right? And then it just falls right back down. So it's like, disaster strikes, because if we just hold that all the way to 70.50, then yeah, that's really good, right? But you can't pat yourself, and this is why it's Trade of the Day. I can't be like, let's just say I held that and it fell all the way back. Am I a genius because I held it? No, I feel it's lucky. It takes out key levels, so we have to get out when that happens, right? Easy done, no problem. So as it falls back down here, then we start to do the same thing again. We start to think about a long against this pre-market level, right? So we take the long, we're able to get out a little bit. But look what happens in here. There's a bunch of jumbled down here. When we take down some of that low, we actually wind up going short, trying to think about, if it's not gonna hold this 67.50 area, then we wanna go short to enjoy a downside move here. But guess what? That doesn't work out either. And so we're back and forth. The lesson to be learned in here, there's just a bunch of trades, short, and out. The lesson to be learned in here is, why am I dealing with the stock when it's back in a range that I'm not confident in, right? So I don't know if we're gonna drop here or rip back up. But the good thing is, after we see a couple of those wick bottoms, then we get long and explode it back to the upside with our last out getting out at 69 right there. That was a key level. It doesn't make it all the way back up to 70 for us. So we take the long back down there at 68 or so, run it back up to the upside to 69. So this is a disaster. This is okay. And then the move back up, we're able to get back some of the profit that we lost right there. And in fact, although you're gonna see I'm short Microsoft right now, which is gonna be great, because I can see the market coming back down, and I'm sure the NASDAQ is leading this to the downside. But the point about it, I see Neil nodding, so that's correct. It might be time to get more shares right here on AMD. We're gonna go look at the chart and see if we can do that again, but that's the trade of the day. The idea here is, I believed in the short, I tried it, and it didn't work. So sometimes you do the work, you put it out on the sticky note, the levels don't hold. The mistake again, trying it there, but then putting too much capital to work up here at 70. So it's your trade of the day, and it's AMD.